Alright, this morning I am going to make some strawberry bread. Okay, I've got 3 cups of flour in here. I've got self-rising flour, so I didn't need no baking soda. Alright, I've got 2 cups of sugar. I've got 4 eggs. Alrighty. Okay. I've got to have 1 cup of oil. Okay. And I've got to have 2 cups of strawberries. I won't need all of these. I've cut up some strawberries. Well, might as well put them all in there. I just about had 2 cups of cut up. Okay. Let's see. I've got my salt in there. Got 4 large eggs, 1.5 cups of oil, 2 cups of strawberries. It's supposed to have cinnamon, but I ain't got no cinnamon. So, alrighty. I think that's it. Let me get this stirred up. I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. I was going to do this yesterday and I didn't feel like getting up and making my strawberry bread. But I'm 83 years old, so I can still get out and go. I just don't do it much. Oh, don't that look good? Alrighty. I'm going to put this in a little pan. Then I've got enough for another loaf. Alright, I'm just going to put my sun oven out, but I'm going to put it in my air fryer. I got it on 400 degrees. Let me put this in the refrigerator too. I'll clean up my mess now. Okay. I'll bring you back when I get it done. Alright, I have got my strawberry bread out of the oven, so it turned out real good. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. I'll put the prescription in the description, the recipe in the description. Oh, y'all have a wonderful week.